Okay, I'm glad I can hear you loud and clear, and I can
Yeah.
also see you very well. So thank you, everybody. So as I was telling you, I am with this beautiful young woman who's been helping the world for the last 20 years. She has got a doctorate in the US and masters, and she has got so many degrees. I think I'll have to read from my iPad to figure out and tell you what all she does. But for last 20 years, she has been using tarot card and various other modalities to help people to resolve their issues, whether they are of their health, their wealth, their personal relationships. And I think also she's been doing a lot of work recently with a lot of people, because due to lockdown and COVID, I think, Pooja, people have been really going through a very troubled time. So she has been helping them out, and she has taught hundreds and hundreds of students and helped thousands of people. So I don't want to take up all the time just talking about her. Instead, we will just talk to her and let her tell us about what is this tarot card reading. ये ताश के पत्ते क्या होता है, कुछ पता चले हमें, please.
See, first, thank you so much. It's really privileged to be there on your show, and I'm
My
looking
pleasure,
forward
my
to
pleasure.
more shows with you.
Yes.
See, it's more about tarot. It's more about the divination tool for the universal language. Okay, so for
Okay,
me, tarot is the language of God. Okay,
okay, okay,
we cannot see God. Okay, we cannot see God. We cannot hear God. So the tarot is a bridge in between us and the God. Okay. So now
okay.
how we are praying, how we are asking questions. So sometimes we see that we really want to know about what is happening in our life and we are just clueless,
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then we
yeah,
ask our friends, we ask anybody, and we get into more confusions because people will tell you their answer with their judgments and perception. Okay.
yes, yes.
So for me, tarot is a guidance. Tarot is a awareness about what is happening in your life. Okay.
Okay, okay.
It's a bridge between you and universe, but you should be open to receive that guidance. A lot of time the people are not really wanting to see the truth for their life. You know, so that's
Yeah,
why they are always in the denial that this has not happened. This cannot be true. How can this could happen? We have been to some tarot card reader. They are saying something. It's not true and all. So when you are open and receive about the universal guidance, tarot reading is everything on this planet. I'll tell you, Nish, everything. I am doing Vastu with tarot. I am doing healing with tarot. I am doing n number of times things with the tarot. So for me, tarot is the complete guidance of universal language.
so it's some kind of a guiding system that helps us to take our life in the direction that we may
Absolutely,
yeah,
absolutely, absolutely. It takes you to the road of your journey. You should have a clarity about where you are going, how you are going, and like whom do you go, and everything is there. So it's more or less about not about asking just about your future questions about remedies or something, but it's about how you can go on that road. It's about the guidance. Guidance is
yeah,
very important rather than asking questions about your future and your past,
yeah.
that way.
Yeah, so see, the thing is that there are, but people are continuously shrouded in their life with uncertainties. You want to do a business, then you are thinking कि ये ठीक होगा कि नहीं, इसके साथ business करूँ या नहीं करूँ. Same thing happens in your relationships. You are trying to be with someone and you don't know, will I end up marrying this person? Then after marriage, you want to know, will this work? Uh, will I have when will I get a child? A lot of people are anxious about what will happen. Will I be healthy when I'm old? Because we see a lot of old people in the hospital. So uh, so does tarot answer those questions, or does tarot help you to deal with what is going to happen with you in that situation, or is
See,
it both the things?
that's what I told you, that it's a both the thing. When you open to receive the guidance as well as the perception what you are doing in your life with that those things, then it's open for both the things. It gives you a clear guidance about, it gives you the clear remedies also. It tells you everything about that problem. Only in that
Okay.
condition that you are open to receive. If you
Yeah,
are
so
into denial mode, if you have your judgment about certain things, you won't able to see the clarity in anything.
correct.
if you
Yeah.
ask about any certain thing, even you talk about like astrology or any other healing or anything, when your perception is clear, you will get the clear answers.
Yeah, you spoke about astrology. So interestingly, I know this, that whenever you do for tarot reading, you always ask people to give their astrological data, their name, their place of birth, time of birth, and date of birth. So how does this connect with
Even,
each other?
like I know little bit here and there about even astrology. I do astrology as well as, but not at like as for my forte is tarot. So
Yeah.
I take a few guidance from astrology. There is a deep connection between astrology and tarot. So there are certain
Okay.
cards which reflect about astrology, signs also, graha also. So I
Yeah.
combine them and I give them direction. When I see that I require certain things about that person. So I see even astrology aspect also along with the tarot. So that will be, it's like,
Okay.
I can see a clear thing about that person.
Wow. Wow.
So it's a
So tell me,
connectivity. It's a connectivity.
in the last 20 years that you've been doing this, so uh, can you share some very interesting or some amazing experiences that you have had with some people? You don't have to name
I
them,
have,
but
like, see, I have a lot of people, they have come along with the question which I write right now, even I cannot reveal, something about
yeah,
like
of course.
some very bad thing had happened with them, and I have done past life with my cards. Will you believe that I have taken another person on the past life, and I have resolved the past life issue also. So for
Wow.
me, I have done many things with the tarot.
Yeah.
It's not a one or two cases where I can tell you that, Nishad, I have done this and that, because I have a celebrity, clients also. They
Yeah.
also have certain things with them. I have a normal people also come along with various problems and all. So it's not
Yeah.
that, this person has an interesting thing, this person, everyone has that individual thing with them.
Issues, yes.
Tarot has resolved, rather than me saying that, tarot has resolved many things from their life.
So now, when you just mentioned that about past life, so when you say there are some, is this something to do with my karmic thing that I have done in my past life that are affecting me now?
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
yeah, so can you just explain a little bit what is this really?
See, I teach tarot as in karmic journey. Okay, so if you'll come to me for tarot, learning, I will not take you the 78 card with that meanings. I will
Yeah.
just go on with what is your karmic journey along with these cards. Okay, so
Okay.
for me, if I want to understand myself, okay, or tarot, I will look at myself and my journey. So the tarot, every 78 cards will tell about everything about my story, my life. So
Yes.
everyone has different story. Okay,
Correct.
the cards are only 78 cards,
Yes. Yes.
but the
Yes.
stories are different. Can you believe that? The stories
Yes.
are
I
different.
I know I have experience with you, so I am aware of what you are telling me.
So
Yeah.
karmic life definitely gives you, good karma and bad karma also. So if you're
Yeah.
asking me about like how I read my card, how I can connect with the past life, when I see the cards, I connect with that person past life also. If the person is going through the same situation again and again, you must have
Yeah.
you must have hearing that of people coming and saying, yeah, mera itne time se yahi ho raha hai bar bar, and keep on repeating the same thing in their life. So that
Huh.
that is might be this lifetime. You might be carrying certain things from your past life, and you're generating that thread in this life also about your experiences in this life. So when
Yeah.
I look at it in the tarot, I see the past life of that person, so I guide according to that person कि भाई साहब ये तो ना उस लाइफ का भी चल रहा है इस लाइफ में, so you
हाँ, तो
just
उसका भी कुछ करना पड़ेगा.
इसका भी कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So more or
Correct.
less, it's all about the karmic journey of our life, because I believe in Krishna, that I believe
I
in
know
the
that.
karma. For
Yeah.
me, what you have done in your life, you are going to get here in this lifetime. Okay?
So even what we have done in our past life, like people have certain sickness in their life, and there is no reason they seem to be living a very healthy, normal life, but they have got some sicknesses which nobody can explain why they have got. So does this have something to do with past life as well?
Yeah, yeah. More or less, that is something to do with the past life. May you have been into that past life. Some of your karma you have accumulated, that way, and then you are in this lifetime, you're resolving that karma by inviting that disease in your body. Okay, so it's like you are somewhere, you're dealing with your karma.
Correct, correct. So when people are going, that means what? Please correct me if I'm wrong. Ki when I am going through some pain, when something not so nice happens to me, when probably somebody gets unwell or something, is this a debt that you are repaying of your past life problems, and
Yeah, absolutely, for
it even
everything.
so it is clearing my past life issues, these
Yeah.
problems, these troubles, and these things. So they are a way to repay the past life karmas that I have done. So
Yeah, yeah,
is that
yeah.
how it works?
That is exactly the way how you are saying it works that way. So whatever, even good karma which you have done in your past life, so even in this life, if we see us, some people, they are very rich, they are very happy, they are very healthy, that is might be
Yeah,
because of even the past life karma which they are now, enjoying the fruit of past life karma. So if the
yeah,
person is very good in this lifetime but going through a very bad karma, then we say, अरे यार इसका बेचारे का कितना अच्छा आदमी है, he does so
huh,
many things, like कितना सारा charity करता है, सब कुछ करता है. Why this person is going through? So not probably from this lifetime. This person has accumulated so many karmas from the past life that he has taken a job to resolve this past life from this lifetime. Okay. So the understanding of the soul is how you are going through your churning of lifetime of your past life karmas, and how you are preparing your good karmas in this lifetime. So tarot also giving you the guidance exactly that way. It's about understanding. Lot of people are coming and saying, "मेरा आप देख लो, मेरा इसके साथ क्या रहेगा, उसके साथ क्या रहेगा, मेरा life में क्या है." I said, please look at yourself, understand yourself first. Just look at your
yeah,
life journey, what you have been and what are you going to do. You will understand tarot. You will understand the guidance, but you should be open for that. Most of the
yeah,
time, what happened is that, see, even you have asked me the same question that, it happens, abhi humne pucha आधे घंटे के बाद the cards will, definitely give you. But then if you are asking a question to one person, right now you're asking
yeah,
certain questions to me, why would
yeah,
you ask the same question after half an hour? Because you don't have a faith on universe. Okay,
yes,
it's nothing about me. It's nothing about
correct.
me, between you and creator. It's about you and universe. So somewhere we don't have the trust for the universe, that what guidance we are getting, it is 100% the right guidance. People go from one person to another person, and then, अरे वो अच्छी नहीं है, she has given me this and this doesn't work. So it's nothing about only the tarot card reader.
So
It's about
this,
you also.
so you are basically the medium that connects the person to.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So is that what?
We are the
Yeah,
medium. We are connecting. I told you that we are the bridge between you and universe. Okay,
yeah,
so it's
yeah,
like we are reading the language of the universe. But
correct,
you should
correct,
have
correct.
like some openness to receive the whatever the guidance is coming.
Yeah, yeah, correct. So people have to, it's like your, if you believe in it, only then it will work for you. It's like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah,
absolutely.
when you, yeah, I understand because I take a lot of homeopathy medicine. So if you don't believe, it may not work probably. So it works
Hmm.
for me, but it's something like that. I mean, everything is about your belief, right? It starts with
Hmm.
your belief
Hmm.
system.
Hmm.
So how, so you've been teaching a lot of people this. So
Yeah.
how, so when they, so generally I just want to introduce what you are teaching to people. So how much time typically people have to give to you to learn, and when they learn what you teach, what is it that they are qualified for?
See, anyone can learn tarot. Okay, that is
Okay,
not specific, qualification what you require. You require only understanding.
okay,
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 the understanding and openness and willing to learn that. Whenever any student comes now, I just ask whether you are seriously just looking for this, to learn and to understand, or don't come just take off that you just want to learn tarot, just take off fun and all. I don't
yeah,
teach that way. So
yeah,
for me, tarot is as equal as like how I can connect with the God. So my connectivity with the God exactly the same way I connect with my cards. So for me, my cards are God. So
yes,
I treat
yes,
my God as a God and my knowledge as a God's knowledge. So,
right,
uh, if someone is coming for the learning, there should be a 10 to 12 session. Okay. in 10 to 12 session, I explain about their life karmic journey along with the cards. See, Nish, one thing
Okay.
you have to understand. You cannot learn tarot by just learning the meanings. Okay, you cannot learn tarot by just
Yes.
going to the notes and all. You have to understand yourself. Okay,
Right. Yeah.
if you
Yeah.
understand
Yeah.
yourself about your life, you can understand tarot very simple. Tarot, very simple, tools to understand, to see about your future, to guidance about anything and everything. You can use tarot as a daily your guidance, as in your like your friend, as like your God's language. Whatever you are doing, you just pick up one card and see what is happening in your life. I advise people, rather than investing in something like some makeup or anything, any XYZ, invest something which will give you the motivation for your life.
Right.
So
Yeah.
tarot
Yeah.
is even motivational for your life. You can connect with the tarot and you can get to know many information in tarot. Like what is going to happen with me right now? Like why this person is behaving with this way? Like how? What about my future? Everything you can see in your cards.
So tarot is not just for like a tool that allows people to predict their things or know something. It affects and embeds every area, every facet of our life. So
Yeah,
everything, my
yeah,
social life, my personal life, my
everything.
financial life, my love life, everything, it is there, something that you can
Yeah,
absorb or
yeah.
get out of the tarot. So
Yeah.
so how many students you must have taught till now?
I think I haven't count, but there are a lot of students.
Yeah.
Lots of students.
So they are all also, a lot of them are also practicing
they
tarot
are
now.
they are doing so good now. They have become a tarot teachers, and they are teaching many people. They are taking workshops, and I'm very happy. When I look at
Yeah.
my students, I'm very happy that they are doing very well. They are like in a great position.
Wow, wow. This is excellent. So, Pooja,
Yeah,
as we had discussed, I also wanted to know, there are quite a few people, since we are using this on the phone, it is very hard for me to type. There are a lot of my friends here. Hi, Sudhir. Sudhir is here from Dubai. So, Sudhir, nice to see you here. Thanks for being here. Uh, can we ask people to ask us something that they would like to ask
yeah, yeah,
you?
absolutely,
So,
absolutely. You can.
my digital guy Sid is here. So if anybody wants to ask something to Pooja, please ask. Then Sid will forward the question to Pooja, and we can probably, you all can get some answers from her, and then you can engage with her later on a much more serious or a longer time session or something like that. So please, I am just opening this up to everyone to ask whatever they want to ask.
Yeah,
Sadly, I
yeah.
can't
Please
see what
open it.
people are asking because it's such a, yeah. Okay, Surya
Who's
is
gonna
here.
type it?
Surya is my dear friend from Delhi. Yeah, Sid will type the question. Sid, are you going to type the question and send it to her? Should they send it to you on your WhatsApp, or where should they send it to you?
No, tell them to send it to your only. Now, when they type the question, I can see the questions.
Okay, okay. So that is great if you are able to see the. Okay. So, hi Surya, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Surya is my friend from Delhi. He does a lot of astrology, and he runs
Wow.
something called Stay Natural, and he's doing amazing work with people who are, living in the villages. And he was gracious enough to invite me to Ayodhya, which was my first trip there. And it was
Wow.
really an amazing experience. So, Surya, thanks for being here. And please meet Pooja. She's an amazing, wonderful soul, and I'm really happy to connect with her in every possible way that I can. Hi, Preeti. Preeti is here.
By the time, by
So,
the time people are writing their question, why don't you do one
yeah,
thing? You were asking
yeah.
something about COVID, right?
Yeah, I was asking. So COVID has there are so many opinions about COVID and so many things going on with COVID. What is going on with COVID? I remember you telling me long back that November, December is going to be a tricky one in certain
Let me
parts of the
see the
world,
thing
and
of
in,
COVID.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah. And like, yeah, like that's the same thing. I remember that there are a lot of people who had come in the 2000, 20 in the beginning of 20, and they used to
yeah,
ask me about yearly prediction, and I really cannot see something is happening with them. And I said, whoever is to come, I said, no, this is, I cannot see that your business will take up, during 1 or 2 months and all that. And then, few of them, they called me and said, आप सबको ऐसे ही बोल रहे हो, कि nothing is going to happen in 2020, and they were very disappointed. You're like, कि why it's so, कि family से 5 लोग भी आ गए हैं, those you are still saying somebody के नहीं इसको और 6-8 महीना लगेगा. I said, I'm not able to see anything. So then, then I understood what had happened after March, and then this lockdown had happened and everything was shut. So I could understand the frequency of those things, which I could not see my tarot. So tarot is that accurate.
Wow. Because I remember you telling me about November, December. You told me in April or something when I was,
Yeah. I still remember. You asked me about that. What is going to happen with, COVID? And I told, wait and watch. There might be a peak period in this, after October. Probably we are going to see some other relief after March, and in the April first week we will see a major thing will start happening in our life. People will feel relief and all. So till that time, we just have to take care of ourselves. And one of my video which I posted on the FB long back is to just go and check that. I have explained about certain points for the COVID, So if it is possible, just go through, and if you can say on your FB also to people to follow those things, which should be.
I will. I definitely will. Sid, please make a point of this. Okay, there's a very dear friend of mine called Laura Lorden. She is in Canada, and she has asked that I feel very stuck. Can you please help me and tell me what I should do?
So stuck in like what? What question she has asked?
She just said I feel stuck. So things are probably just not moving forward, whether it is work or whether it is relationship. I don't know. Laura, 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 Louden. Laura, you want to tell us where you are feeling really stuck?
Even in the family, okay.
Yeah.
See, the basic thing is coming up for the Laura is that she needs a guidance. She is actually looking for the road, Right now, she's feeling that she's stuck from everywhere. Even for the, I might be whatever she's doing, she's stuck there, and the family is also in anything. Now she's feeling completely, completely closed. So just tell her there might be a few weeks here and there. I think so. At least I can be 3 to 4 more weeks. Okay, at least a month. So after a month, she will can see some light. Where she is seeing the darkness right now, and tell her if she is able to wear a amethyst ring or amethyst bracelet, that would be fine for you.
Yeah, she's saying that she's mostly stuck with her work.
Yeah, that's what I told that I can see a work wise. So just tell her that it will take 1 month more to just the release whatever she is feeling stuck about, and for that she has to wear a amethyst on her right wrist.
Okay.
Okay,
so there is somebody else who has posted something here. I can't read clearly. My sister
has posted, my sister Prerna Thakkar is applying for temporary residency Australia, and she wants to work there. By when she will be possible to do that, and how will be her career too. Okay.
Welcome, Laura.
So this is for Shweta's sister.
Yeah. Surya, 1 minute. Surya, 1 minute. Let her answer this, then you can give us the question.
Shweta, I can see there might be some blockages are there in terms of what she wants to do right now. Just tell her to rethink about what she wants to do. And what I can see, the possibilities of doing that will give her a letter in her life that is going to give her little trouble about, 1 second. Okay, fine. So just tell her that she has to wait for some time, because right now, whatever she wants to do, if she will do that, it will not give her a proper way to do. So tell her to wait for some time, and by the time, tell her to donate black wood on Saturday. black urad on Saturday to any Shani temple. If it is for her, behalf of her, you can do that here in the India.
Okay, now Surya, you wanted to ask something. I think Siddharth Palaja has asked some question. I can't read it very clear because it's coming on your name and
Second question, am we planning to buy home? Where we hesitate who is the when is the best time? Okay. So Ami is planning to buy a home and is the best time to buy. Siddharth Paleja. Okay.
yeah.
She can buy that house in 2021 February because right now she might be have some confusions about buying a house or something which is coming on the cards. So just tell her to clear that energy, and then if she is taking up a decisions about buying a house, that could be a very easy for her to do that. And I can see that by 2021 February will be the perfect time for her to buy the house.
Okay, thank you. And there is a gentleman here called Rishi who wanted to know something about his job. Sid, can you send his full name?
Setting up job, lost my job in May 2020 for the leadership position, trying to engage with people related to Praveen Pandey.
Yeah.
Setting up an entrepreneur role for a job. Okay. Pandey.
Surya, in the meantime, you can send your question, so it will be here, so we can read it after this.
So Praveen Pandey, setting up an entrepreneurial goal is very good for you. And but right now might be there is some other things also going in your mind, and for that you have a little confusion whether you can take up a job or you can proceed for an entrepreneur goal. So the advice from the cards are that you have to focus on your entrepreneurship goal, because you have got the full card, and full card is showing that it's beginning of something magical. So this card is giving you a lot of awareness and interesting facts about your goals. So please proceed for the entrepreneurship goals.
Okay, Rishi wanted to know, he has lost his job. When can he get his job back?
Rishi. So what's his full name, Rishi?
Sid, can you write his full name? Okay, there are too many questions. So, Rishi Tamble, right? Am I right, Sid?
Tamble.
Yeah.
So, like, what is this question? Rishi Tamble has lost his job.
He lost his job. He wants to know when would he get his next job.
So Rishi, first you have to just release all the sadness or everything, all the disappointment which you carry in your heart for your job. Don't worry. What I can see right now, that once you just come out of that, what had happened with you, and whatever the pain you have for your lost job, release that pain, and you will see a very beautiful job is coming on your way. Somewhere between January, mid-January to first week of February. Yeah, don't worry about that. You are going to get a job very soon.
Okay, there is a question from Surya Singh.
Okay.
So I can't read it clearly because it comes on your image.
I can only see the few questions. I can't see. I see good time to switch from current job. We pull. I think we pull. It's time to switch from current to. Can you write that, Nish, or can you read that?
Yeah, I am not able to read because it is coming on your image and the white color is merging with your. Yeah. So Sid, can you please rewrite the question of Surya? Just copy paste it, no?
Yeah, Vipul, you can switch to from the current job to another job. But then after taking up the another job, there might be a some time where you will feel that you have been in a very hurry and you have taken up job in the hurry. So wait for some time if you can wait, or else the time is medium for you, not so great to take a new job. 1 second, 1 second. I'll see. Okay, okay. So the time is medium. So whatever right now you are doing, and you feel that the another job is in your hand, then you can leave this job and take a new job, and just concentrate about what you are doing right now. I mean, concentrate about it means don't get confused about what you are doing.
Okay, we are about to set up. I can't read. Can you set up a hospital in an interior part of Uttar Pradesh? Okay, it's a long question. Can you read the question? Are you
No,
able to
I'm
read the
not able
question?
to do. No. I can only read a few questions which are there. I think I can read a question of Satish Kumar. He said that I'm a Bollywood journalist looking for a job since 2 years. When will I get a job? Okay, Satish Kumar. So there are a lot of questions about job, huh?
Yeah, because I think COVID has been really very aggressive
Yeah.
with people's job, I think. Surya, can you send me the question on my WhatsApp? I will just read that out to her.
Satish Kumarji, still I feel that you have to wait for a little more time because there are certain struggles are happening in your life, and I feel that you are going through some graha dasha also, which is giving you trouble in while joining in the another new job, or else you are a very good person, like you have a lot of focus on your work, you have struggled a lot, you are a very hardworking person, but still you are not getting into the proper job. So wait for some time, and one remedies I am telling you, you do that. Every Tuesday, you go to Hanumanji's Mandir and just offer the chameli ka tel to Hanumanji for 5 or 6 Tuesday and see the result. Because I see there are some blockages on Graha side is also there. So that's why you are not getting into the proper job. So do that and you will see the result.
So I think Surya wants to start a hospital. His name is Surya
Okay.
Singh. They want to start a hospital for poor people in the village, somewhere in the interior of
So the
Uttar
same guy
Pradesh.
you were talking. So this is the same guy you were talking about.
Yeah. So they are going on facing some or the other problem, but he is very sure that he wants to anyhow start the hospital by December end 2020. So what do you see and what do you think will happen with that?
So he's planning to start up a hospital in December
In the
end, right?
in December end, he wants to start.
Okay, so what are the chances that Mr. Surya Singh will start up a hospital in December? Oh, oh, okay. So, like, he's very determined to, do that. Like, he got this car, So he's totally engrossed in that, what is happening right now. Like, he's going through a certain things. He's thinking about like how to go about, how to crack that thing, and some of the other stress are happening in his life and all that. Might be because I think he's the astrologer. Tell him to check his right now what Graha Dasha is going on, because I feel there is something which is not allowing about him also. It's nothing about like the circumstances, but it's about the people who's around him. It's about the people who's around him. There are some people's energies are not getting connected with this person, or I can say that the place energy and his energy somewhere is reflecting little bit here and there. So tell him to see something. I think because he is an astrologer, he can see his horoscope and he can get into that what is exactly affecting him. But I have an idea that after December 21st, there might be some relief for him, where he can say that things will start happening in his favor. Okay.
Okay.
After
Thank
24.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, okay, I'm replying them on WhatsApp because I can't see here. Sid, can you please post other questions, because we are getting a lot of questions and I'm unable to cope with the questions that are coming. There is a question. Yes. So there is a person called Vipul. I can't read his last name. He wanted to ask if this is a good time to switch from the current job.
See,
Sid, can you tell us what?
I think Surya Singh has mentioned in that because I'm just reading right now that we are about to set up a hospital in interior area of Uttar
Yeah.
Pradesh, which looks basic medications. We wanted to start long ago, but due to some or other problems, the project kept on delayed. So that is the Surya Singh. It's not only about you; it's about even people who's somewhere associated with you in this project. So just check their energies also.
Okay. Thank you. So there is a guy called Vipul. I don't know, Dinodra, or I can't read that.
I have answered Vibhu. I have answered Vibhu.
Okay.
Okay. This is I'm looking at adding new product and collaboration with a few people. It's a good time now. Or main business is tea and coffee. Wanted to introduce organic products, herbs, accessories, etc. Ashish. Okay. Just let me see.
That's
Ashish. Okay, let me see. So he's basically want to introduce a coffee and organic
organic
products,
product.
herbs and accessories. Okay. 1 second. So will be he able to do that, right? Absolutely, tell him to go ahead. It will be wonderful experience for him. It's showing a beautiful energy of Ace of Pentacles. Whenever this card comes, it's showing abundance in that what you are doing or what you are planning to do.
Wow.
So it's a beginning. It had already happened in his mind, and he has already started manifesting. Might be he will feel some sort of things where he will feel that little difficulties in beginning, but after that it will be it is going to flourish like the bucket of flower.
Yeah. So by the way, he is my brother, younger brother.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah. Yeah. So he sells lovely teas,
Oh,
actually.
wonderful.
Yeah.
So
So
tell
I'll
him to
send you
go ahead
some.
for yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. He's here. So he's listening to you. Hi,
So
Vimleshwari. How
what
are you? Nice to see
So
you here.
Ashish, whatever even accessories you are talking about, so the card has come absolutely wonderful for that. Even accessories also, go ahead with that. Don't think about anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just do it.
Yeah, just do it.
Yeah. So Sid, any other? Okay, there are some more. Okay, Vipul is asking. I can't read his last name. He's asking marriage scenario in 2021, sorry.
Okay. So like what he's planning
Vipul
to get
Dinodia, I think is his name.
I can't see the questions.
Thanks, Pratima. Okay.
Siddharth is saying that he has sent 2 questions on WhatsApp also.
Yeah, but I need
Okay.
the name.
Can you repeat the question, Nish? Right now?
Yeah. 1 minute. I'll ask him to send the name first. Okay.
Yeah.
So Rakesh Bhatt is asking, is marriage on my cards in 2021?
Okay, Rakesh.
Rakesh Bhatt.
Rakesh, full name Rakesh?
Bhatt.
Rakesh Bhatt.
Yeah. Sid, can you just keep sending me questions here on WhatsApp, because I think it works better for me. I can't read very well on this screen because it's, the white color is.
Yeah, there is a definitely marriage is on card on 2021. But I want to tell that Rakesh Bhatt that he is somewhere confused about whether he wants to get married in 2021 or he should wait for 2021. So please get yourself clear first, and open your energy for the marriage, and then you can invite a beautiful life partner for your marriage.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
So anybody else has more questions?
I
We
can
will
see
soon run out of
I
time.
can see
So
a question. Yeah.
Sid
One more
Siddharth
question.
Siddharth is asking, what should I do to excel in my entrepreneurial journey?
Pardon? What you're saying?
What Siddharth Paleja is asking, what should I do to excel in my entrepreneurial journey?
I have answered. I have answered.
Okay.
So now I think again your brother is asking one more question that my daughter, her career isn't taking off the way she wants to do. When will she get her desired due in the music world? Okay, what's her name?
Sanaya Takia.
Sanaya Takia. Do you know her date of birth, Nish?
No, I don't know. I'll ask him. Ashish, can you send her
Just
date
ask.
of birth? Did he send the date of birth? 30th July 1988.
She's a excellent in music, but what is happening right now, she's not getting a proper channel for that music. Okay, she should find out a proper channel. What I can see in her card, the hermit card is there. So she has to find out a proper channel, proper person, who can take her into that. Right now, her energies are into that. She's waiting for some big break, or she's trying and she's doing so many things. But what I understand from her energy, that she really needs that breakthrough from the person who can tell her the right channel. So if she get into the right channel, definitely she is going to do an amazing thing in the music, because she's a very good in that. She's a very creative person. So Sanaya is very creative person, and I feel I will just go through her in the her deep horoscope and everything. I will require her all the details and all. So then I can see certain thing and I will let him know. So after this session, you just send me her details and everything. Okay?
Okay, there is a person called Purvi Solapurkar. Okay, she has a rather long question. Can you hear me
Okay.
well? Okay, so her husband is through depression and physical problem, and he's not doing well in his job. So they have asked her not to stay with her family. So she has packed her bag and she has gone to her mother house. So she has
Hmm.
basically left her husband and gone to her mother's house because a lot of her husband is going through depression and physical problem and lost his job. So is that a right decision to take?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. So can you repeat the question again? Because I have in between little, there was some, you know,
Yeah. So she's saying that Purva Solpurkar's husband is through depression and physical problems and not doing good in his
okay.
job also. So she has been
Hmm.
asked to not stay in that family. So she has packed her bags and she has gone to her mother's house. So is that a right decision to take?
It's showing about the choice what she is choosing. Okay. If she has chosen this choice and she is feeling comfortable with that, then it's a good choice of her, because what is happening here, if she's going to remain with her husband right now, her husband is not in the state, that frame of state where she can, be with him. But I really wants to tell that, again the card is saying that after 2.5 weeks, it means, I think about next month. So next month she has to again go back to him, because if she is remain here with her mother, then there will be a trouble in her marriage also. Okay. So right now, if
Okay. So there is a lady called Devanshi Bhatia.
okay,
She says, will I get a chance to go abroad for a job?
Devanshi Bhatia.
Bhatia, huh?
So she want to go for.
Abroad for a job. Will she get a chance to go abroad for a job? Hey guys, I think we have lost her for a bit, so I'm waiting for her to get back. Her connection. Sid, can you please speak with her and find out what has happened? Okay, I think she's coming back. Yeah, yes. All right, welcome again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry, there
Yeah.
is a little
No,
trouble.
no problem at all. So, Okay.
As I seen your card and I told you that there might be some problems in getting job. So why don't you chant one number 1176 when you are going to give a interview? So before you proceed for your interview, you should chant 1176 for 45 times. 1176 for 45 times. That's a miracles number to resolve the blockages. Okay, Utkarsh Amborkar, Nish sir, my question please, will I get government job or abroad from current job? Will I get government job or abroad from current job? Okay, Utkarsh Amborkar. Shri Gaikwad, your baby is too small. She is just 6 month old baby. And yeah, I advise that, you know, you should not see a very small baby's future right now. She's just started her journey. She'll be absolutely fine. She'll do very well.
Okay, there is somebody, Darshana Vaidya, asking for her husband that he is a sports person and he's very good at badminton and play, and he wishes to continue his badminton in a competitive level. So how does his future look in that area? So the person's name is Himanshu Vaidya.
Himanshu Vaidya. Okay.
Yeah.
So he's like he's preparing for what, Nish?
No, he's very good at badminton and he plays badminton at a lot of competitive levels. So he wants to know, should he
Okay.
continue getting into the competitive and what is his future there?
His name is
Himanshu Vaidya.
the magician card is indicating about the lot of possibility for future, you know, future growth. So whatever he is doing right now might be is going through sometimes a lot of, you know, competitions and all. Sometimes he feels somewhere he feel disappointed also. But what I see, he has a lot of energy. He's carry Mangal's energy, Mars energy. So he's very energetic guy. So tell him to you know, just go ahead with this whatever he's doing right now. And I see that he will be somewhere reaching in his goal. What he has, you know, he has created the goal in his mind already. So he will definitely reach to his goal.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Aniket Rajput is asking, will my career and financial condition improve in 2021?
Aniket, na?
Aniket Rajput.
2021 after August, I see that the things will start happening in your favor. Financial conditions also, and your work also will improve. Career wise also you will improve. But then I want to suggest you something, some remedies to you, Aniket. What you have to do whenever you wake up early in the morning, first time you have to see your both the hands. Okay, so see both the hands, just kiss both the hands and just, you know, do this way for 3 times. Okay, so you are going to see a lot of changes in your life by doing very simple things. Okay, because what I see after August the things will start releasing in your, you know, complications will release. but after a period of gap also, you're feeling little miserable about the financial conditions. Might be the career wise you will do good, but the financial side you will again see some kind of a blockages. So for releasing of that blockages, you have to do whatever I suggested you right now.
Okay, Sid, there is a so there is a gentleman called Utkarsh Amborkar. Utkarsh. So he's asking, my question is, will I get government job or will I get go abroad from a different one?
Okay.
Welcome, Aniket.
Okay. See, you have both the possibilities of, you are going to get even the government job also. There are the possibilities that something will start happening in 2021 in terms of where you will go, you will see, the plan of your career for the, abroad and all. So you have to take decision whether what you want to do, because both the cards have come, simultaneously positive for your government job also and for your abroad also. So choose accordingly your choice.
Okay, there is a person called Gurpreet Singh. He wants to know about his career in hotel industry. When will he get settled and will he have a chance to go abroad this year?
Okay. So I think I've just answered about Aniket, or what was that guy? Who was that guy? Aniket?
Utkarsh Amborkar.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So right now we are asking question about Gurpreet Singh.
Yeah.
Want to know about his career in hotel industry, when he will be settled, and does he has chance to settle abroad in coming year? Gurpreet Singh. Hotel industry, right now it seems to be, what I feel through the card, is a little difficult for settling down. But definitely by the next year, mid of the next year, he will see there is a possibility that he can settle with his family to, abroad. Because right now, at least for the 4 months, so by next year 2021, after April, you will see some changes or some positivity in your career. Like if you are hotelier, you will see some changes happening after March. So right now I cannot see that something great will happen in your, in your career. But definitely if you'll try and if you'll focus on your going abroad with your family, there's a beautiful chance which is coming in mid-October. Okay. So there you can shift to the, abroad with your family, or you can take up some chance for the abroad.
Okay, Jignya Sava is asking, hi Pooja, how will my business grow?
Hi, Jigna. She's my
From
dear
your smile,
friend.
from your smile, I could tell she is someone you know well.
Yeah, she's my friend.
I guess.
Okay. So how we have business. So Jigna, as I said earlier also, this is the year where everyone has gone through some of the other, blockages in their career or their business or the financial state. And right now, till next year, February, I still see that, you are not going to do something great in that what you are doing. Okay. But if you will focus and shift your business in another level, like if you introduce something new in your business, I can see there might be some breakthrough where you will see a success is coming. Or else at least for 5 months, I can see if you will remain with the same thing what you are doing right now, at least for the 5 months I can see there will be ups and downs in your business. So I will suggest you remedy that every Saturday you have to burn 5 tej ka patta, tej patta. You burn 5 tej patta at where you are working and release the blockages and energy of your environment, and you will see some of the ease in your financial matter.
Okay, there's a guy called Shrikant Gaikwad.
Okay.
He's working in an IT company and he wants to know, is there chances of improving the financial condition? And there is more, but I am unable to actually read more than that. So Shrikant, I hope I have asked your question correctly.
What question he has asked?
He's working in an IT
He's
company
in IT.
and he wants to know if a financial condition will improve. Shrikant Gaikwad.
See, I think how I just now I've spoken to my friend about that. Everyone has gone through in 2020. Career wise, money wise also. For Shrikant also, I'm seeing the same thing because I have got 3 of sword card. This card is saying there is some disappointment still keep happening in your in your career, in your financial matter. Just be just take a little step, okay, do something which will make you little positive about, because what I see in your cards that you are taking a lot of stress in work area also, as well as in financial matters also. Many things in this year, you have to, like, you felt that you have stuck up and all, but please don't worry. I can see in 2021 after April the things will start easing up in your career wise also and financial wise also. And on every Friday, if it is possible for you, just donate green grass to cow, okay, or feed that green grass to cow. That will be very good for you. So hi Nish, there is a lot of questions I can see right now, and I think there are a lot of people are joining right now, and they wants to ask so many questions. So I just want to tell you that um, tarot is not only about asking questions and getting into that what is going to happen. You just have to understand also that you will need a lot of guidance. If things are not happening the way you are feeling that it should happen, might be there are some kind of blockages are there in your life or in your environment or in your graha. You have to keep feeling motivated by doing some affirmations or some of the other remedies. You just go through affirmation also, chant mantras also, and mantras, anybody can chant mantras, anybody can chant numbers also. So 1176 number is the numbers of miracles. So anyone can chant that number. If you are going through a financial blockages, relationship issues, or disease, or anything which you feel that not easy up in your life, please chant 1176 every day and write on your left thigh with the green pen or blue pen. That will give you a very good result. So Nish, there are a lot of people are joining, and I think so.
Yeah.
This is a little longer. It is going a little
Yeah,
longer. So, like, I feel that what you have to do. You just tell me what we can do, because it's going a little longer.
I know it is really going long, and so maybe what we can do is we can try to do this once again sometime, hopefully soon, and people can get back to us, and we are going to share our numbers and everything, so people can get in touch with us anyway.
That is better. And I want to tell everyone, one thing, that see, you might have a lot of problems in your life right now, and just think about even the people who's around you, they all are going through the same. What is matters the most for all of us, that being very helpful to each other. We have to help each other right now. Why we are here, why we are we are, I'm really thankful to you, Nish, that you have come up with something very great, that you are asking people, we are giving remedies to people, and people are getting connected to us. So we will tell in this platform that we are really, we are getting into that help mode, that we are contributing in from our side to the people who's around us, who just looking for the some kind of the help or some kind of the guidance. We will do once in a week, or however you can tell me that way.
Yeah.
So we
Whatever,
can
however time permits you as well.
so we can even give remedies to the people. So one remedy is very good. I will tell you, Dish, whenever you feel are stuck in your, either in your relationship or your business, or like, you have a lot of negativity or anything where you feel you are stuck, one thing which will give you instant relief is coffee bath. Okay. So I tell all my clients that whenever you feel that nothing is working in your favor, just do, take a chane ka atta, put lot of coffee, mix with that coffee and chane ka atta, put it all over in your body and take a nice bath. You will absolutely feel a positive, relax, and your mind will be totally clear. This is a very good cleansing which I have shown. So
Okay,
I'm
I'm just
asking
going for
all the
my bath
people.
now.
So you try and you just tell me that how you felt and all. Okay. So you do this, and please keep on saying affirmation. Say some positive affirmation mantra also. This will ease up your complications, your problems, what is happening right now.
Yeah.
So keep faith, have faith in universe, talk
Yeah.
to us, discuss your
Yes.
problems. We are there to help you.
And we are here, and we'll keep coming back, and hopefully we'll do something before the new year or something. So, like
I will definitely come up with nice remedies next time now, because it's too long right now. So I will
I
come
know.
up with the nice remedies where I will give remedies on health, remedies on money, remedies on, some numbers. I will share numbers for the money, numbers for the career and all. And that will be a beautiful session again.
Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Pooja, for your time and
Thank you
for
so much.
sparing this
Thank you so much.
effort with us.
And last, I wanted to tell you one thing more. You know that I think you don't know that I do crystal ball gazing also, right? I like
Yes.
I have done more than 100 shows on TV for crystal ball gazing. So next time,
Yes.
whenever we plan, I will come up with a crystal ball gazing, and we'll do some nice magical crystal ball gazing, and we'll answer all the questions
That would be
according to the crystal
fabulous.
ball gazing.
That will be
Yeah,
fantastic.
that
We'll do that. I look forward to it,
yeah.
Pooja. Thank you so much for
Thank you,
being here,
same
and
years.
thank you for sparing your Sunday evening with us. And have a nice evening,
Thank you so much.
everybody. Enjoy your dinner and
Bye
have a good
bye.
time with your family. Bye.
Must
God bless
know, must
everybody.
know.
Yes. Khush raho. Yeah. Sid,
Kuch raho.
is this going to get saved, Sid? I just want to make sure that
I
this is
think so.
saved.
I
So,
think so.
yeah, I know it is being so. Before I say finish, I just want to confirm with him that it is saved. Otherwise, we will just lose everything.
Yeah, so I can share this link to my FB also. I haven't shared. A lot of people are, eagerly waiting for my FB live.
Yeah. So we will do this more often, and I think everybody can get some,
Yeah.
Some value out of what we do.
Thank
Yeah.
you so
Thank
much,
you very
Nish.
much,
God
Pooja.
bless you. You are doing
Yeah.
a very
God bless you.
noble job. Bye.
No. I can't do any of this without your support. So
I'm
I'm
always there
like
with
you.
you.
I'm just the medium in this. So,
Yeah,
okay.
absolutely.
Thank you.
We all are there to contribute from ourselves, right?
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
bye-bye.
God bless everybody. Thank you everyone for being here, and we will see you more often. And have a lovely evening and a great life. And God bless everybody. Ciao. See you. Take care.
God
Bye
bless.
bye. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.